Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I will explain about JavaScript local variable and global variable, right? A JavaScript local variable is declared inside a function or a block, right? It can be accessible within the function or a block only. Then JavaScript global variable is accessible from any function, right? So I will explain the local variable and global variables with an example. Here I am writing a JavaScript function here. So I will write the code. Now I am writing HTML. Okay, inside I will write the JavaScript code, right? HTML. Then I am writing body here. Okay, fine. Now I will create a script tag. Then in that I am using a function. To declare a function in JavaScript, we should follow this syntax: function and followed by the name of the function, space function space name of the function. In that I am using, okay, flower braces opening bracket and closing bracket. Okay, in this I will write, I will declare a variable here. How to declare a variable in JavaScript? By using where keyword, right? Where a is equal to 100, then I am using semicolon to uh, I'm using semicolon here. Then I will display this variable document dot write of a. Okay, what will be the output of this program? Here I'm not calling the function, right? I should call this function. What's the name of the function? CSC. Okay, then at the end of the flower bracket, then I will call the function with the function name CSC, uh, function name, and closing with a semicolon. Then I will close the script. Okay, then I will close body. After that I will close HTML, right? Now see here I'm using comments here, calling function, right? Here we are calling the function, right? What will be the output now? See, I'm saving this program with dot HTML only. So I will save this program with local variable dot HTML, right? Here I will save the type as all files, right? Then I will go to the location where I have saved this program. Then see here local variable. I'm opening this program. It will open in a web browser. See here, can you see the output here? See here, I have got the output as 100. Why? Because I have declared the value 100 local variable to a particular function, and I'm printing the value. Then I will create one more function there. Okay, now I will go to the notepad again. Right here, I will write one more function space ECE I will write. Okay, then in that I will try to print the same value which is present in the function CSC, right? Okay, document dot write a. I want to get the same value which is present in CSC. So here I am not declaring any variable, right? Okay, I am saving this program. Now again I will go to the browser, right? See here, yeah, here I'm opening the browser. Now I will click on refresh, reload this page. See, I am unable to see the output. Now again I will go to the notepad. Then I will try to write something here. Then it will display, right? Welcome. See, that means, okay, I forgot something here. I will make the changes now. I will write document.write a only. Then I'm see here I'm not calling the function, right? Then I will call this function by using function name. What's the function name here? EC, right? Then I will close this. Now again I will save this program. Then I will go to the browser. Okay, see here, this is my browser, right? Then again I will refresh this page. Nothing is coming out, right? Then that means we are unable to call a local variable from another function, right? So I will go to the browser again. Sorry, I will go to the notepad again. Then again I will try to print something in another uh, EC function. It will print. Why? Because we are printing just statements, right? For clarification purpose, I am writing this. I will remove in a moment. Okay, I am saving the program. Again, I will go to the browser. See here, I will refresh the page. See, it is displaying welcome. Okay, right? So this is the example of local variable. So a local variable is local to a particular function or a particular block only. Okay, now what I will do, I will write another variable in this function ECE where b is equal to 200. Okay, now here in this ECE function, I will try to display the value of b, and I will write here b. Now what will be the output? We'll get output 100 and 200, right? See here again I'm going to the browser. Okay, and again I will refresh the page. See here 100 and 200. So whatever the variable we have declared locally, then it's showing that result only. Now I will go for global variable now. Okay, what I will do, I will declare a variable outside all the functions globally. Then right, we are using here where keyword where a is equal to 1000. Then what I will do, can you able to see the notepad here, right? Okay, what I will do, I will remove the declaration from inside the function, right? From CSC and from EC. Okay, see here I will change the value, that change the variable as a and a here. Okay, see I'm changing the variable from in the CSC also and from the EC also. See, I have written document dot write a, document dot write a. So I want to print the value 1000 in both the functions. So I'm calling the function as it is. See, I have written like this. Okay. So I will save this program. Again, I will go to the browser. I will try to refresh it. See, do you see the result? We got 1000 and 1000. Similarly, if I have uh, 10 functions here with different names, then I can access this global variable value in all the functions. Okay, now you got the idea. Okay, thanks for watching.